In the majority of vehicles, the bumper is a distinguishing feature. It is a part with huge aesthetic significance, which sometimes disguises the importance of its practical function. A bumper cushions the effects of small impacts, such as those that happen in car parks, maintains its characteristics even in extreme weather conditions, preserves its original appearance over the years. As important as the exterior design of the bumper are its shape, the material and manufacturing processes. Any variation in these parameters can cancel out its functionality, though aesthetically, this weakness may not be visible. This happens when the types of additives used in the polypropylene, the thermoplastic material from which bumpers are made, are changed. It also happens when the injection molding parameters for this material, such as the temperatures, pressures, and working times, are not respected. A simple test on the bumper demonstrates the consequences of not adhering to the appropriate production processes. Two bumpers of similar appearance, made from the same base material, respond in a completely different manner. To ensure that the properties of a part are appropriate, expert bodies must perform a series of rigorous inspections and technical tests. Only in this way can we ensure that the bumper material is impact resistant and will endure wear and tear over the years. The results of these tests prove the validity of the product. It is a quality mark certifying the perfect performance of the bumper, even in the toughest conditions. Aesthetics and functionality unite to provide the customer with peace of mind.